I'm going to Remittance now, and the Remittance is near to my house. And this is the Canto. Over there, the Canto. And this is the road to my house. To Canto. Oh, rough road. Smell dog. There's a lot of dog. You see? You hear that? It's a new house.